Sharing real life corporate stories with the world. In this video, I am going to share a story. John was a business manager for a reason. So, in that reason, sales and marketing manager vacancy is there, and he told the HR department, please look for a sales and marketing manager. We need marketing support here for sales. He just told and left. Suddenly, one day, he got an email. Tomorrow morning, sales and marketing manager arriving by this flight. Please arrange for pickup and accommodation. John got shocked. Finally, he arranged everything. He arranged accommodation, pickup, everything. The sales and marketing manager came to office, started working 3-4 days, and after 10 days, he said he cannot continue in this territory. He wants to go back. I asked him why. What is the reason? Why you want to go back? No, I cannot work in this small territory. Nothing is there. No Indian families, no recreation. It's like a prison. No, I cannot work this. I am looking for positions in a major metros, and I can't stay here, small villages and these things. Even salary is very high. I am sorry. See what happened here? The HR must have explained the sales and marketing manager during the interview. How is the condition? How is his stay? What is the population? What are the plus point of the area? What are the threats? How much business? What type of vehicle? Everything they must have explained him. Or otherwise, they must have connected to John. John can have explained very well and how it is going with some videos, with some photos to sending him to make him to understand where he is going to working. Suddenly sending a sales and marketing manager without telling him anything and without knowing John, what is his qualification, previously where he worked, what was his job profile, what is our job description in present company, nothing happened. HR should not do. HR can do these things if suppose they are going to replace somebody without informing him. That is okay. You are sending somebody to work under some manager and manager doesn't know about person who is coming, qualification, experience, companies, work, job description, everything. It's a very big mistake. HR must inform. HR must inform everything. Let everybody speak to him. Let the candidate accept and come back. Otherwise, see how many 2-3 months gone waste. Air freight, accommodation, visa, everything gone waste. Lot of cost of recruitment gone. Thank you very much. I will be sharing a lot of stories. If you like the video, please share, comment, subscribe. I will be sharing more videos in coming months. Thank you very much.